Artificial intelligence is changing the job market faster than almost any technology we've seen before. Some people are worried that AI will replace millions of jobs. Others are using AI to build businesses, earn more money, and create opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. So here's the question: which side do you want to be on? The truth is, AI itself won't make you rich, but learning the right AI skills could put you far ahead of the average person. In this video, we're going to explore 5 AI skills that could become incredibly valuable in 2026 and why learning them now could completely change your future. Let's get started. The first skill is learning how to communicate with AI effectively. Most people ask AI simple questions and accept the first answer they get. But experienced users know that the quality of the result depends on the quality of the prompt. A well-written prompt can generate better content, solve complex problems, write code, analyze data, or even create marketing strategies. Think of prompt engineering as learning how to give clear instructions to a very intelligent assistant. The better your instructions, the better the results. And businesses are already looking for people who know how to get the most out of AI tools. Content is everywhere. Businesses need videos. Creators need scripts. Brands need social media posts. Companies need blog articles. AI makes content creation faster, but it doesn't replace creativity. The people who know how to combine AI with storytelling, editing, and audience psychology will always have an advantage. Instead of letting AI replace your creativity, use it to multiply your productivity. The goal isn't creating more content, it's creating better content in less time. Every business has repetitive tasks. Sending emails, organizing files, scheduling appointments, responding to common customer questions, managing reports. AI can automate many of these tasks. People who understand how to connect AI tools into simple workflows can save businesses hundreds of hours every year. And when you save a business time, you also save them money. That's a skill companies are willing to pay for. Businesses collect more data than ever before. The challenge isn't getting data. It's understanding what the data actually means. AI can quickly summarize reports, identify trends, and help people make smarter decisions. But AI still needs someone who can ask the right questions and interpret the results correctly. Learning how to combine critical thinking with AI-powered analysis will become one of the most valuable business skills in the years ahead. This may be the most important skill of all. The people who earn the most money aren't always the smartest. They're often the best problem solvers. Instead of asking, "How can AI make me money?" ask, "What problems can I solve using AI?" Maybe it's helping small businesses create content. Maybe it's automating repetitive work. Maybe it's improving customer service. Every problem you solve creates value, and value creates income. AI isn't replacing success, it's changing the skills required to achieve it. The people who keep learning, adapting, and solving real-world problems will have the biggest advantage in 2026 and beyond. Remember these 5 skills: prompt engineering, AI content creation, AI automation, AI data analysis, AI-powered problem solving. You don't need to master them all overnight. Start with one, practice every day, and keep building your skills. Because the future won't belong to the people who fear AI, it will belong to the people who learn how to use it wisely. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Asset Nest for more content about AI, money, wealth, and the mindset needed to build a better financial future.